up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop, and welcome to issue 53 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our wonderful mates over at Fanhome. Now if you'd like this for yourself folks and want to build along with good old Festa, head over to this link here. All the way along there folks, there's a clickable version below in the description. And that will take you to the Fanhome website where you can see all the details of this wonderful Partwork and take out a subscription. You can be building along with me, folks. Yes, playing a bit of catch up. So let's have a scoop through today's magazine. You've got the history of ROBOCOP there, where the shoot moved to Atlanta. There you go. Loads of background information, some data files there. Gives you all little bits and snippets on how the film was influenced. This is what we've got today. We've got the waist section free, and we've also got part of the base, folks. We've got half the base coming today. So we're going to need previous assembly, which was the upside down flower pot with the joint in it. And we're going to be fitting this section to the front of it and completing this. Looks like a little droid, doesn't it? But there you go. Program called Robot Wars years ago. That's what it reminds me of. And then we'll fit in screws on that, and this is what we're going to have at the end, the waist section, and this is the section of the base that we've got. Okay, and this is where it's all going in your ROBOCOP, folks, all the internals for the mounting of the torso to the lower limbs. We've then got Fanhome, 100 years of robots section there, loads of little gadgets and stuff. Technology, the way it's changed over the years, it is fascinating. You then got Mission to Mars. Yes, this is that ongoing thing of setting up a Mars lunar base or whatever, you know. It would be lovely to see it in my lifetime happen, but alas, I don't think I'll see it, but it would be nice. And there you go, all the folks there doing their thing. I grew up watching Space 1999 with Moonbase out, and it would just be absolutely stunning to see something happen. And then there you go, first humans and colonists going to Mars. I hope we treat Mars a little bit more respectfully than we've treated our own planet. That's all I'll say. Right, let's get all our bits and pieces out, and we'll start a bit of assembly. First up, this is the half of the base that you're going to get, and it's got like a screenshot of ROBOCOP. Now, I have seen pictures of other bases that have got the big OCP logo on it, so I'm really not sure what to do with this when it gets finished. I'll see how I feel. But yeah, there you go. So that's what we've got. We've got the first part of our base going on. So we can put that to one side, keep that nice and safe, and we'll carry on with our assembly that we've got today. So this is what we did last time in. This is our little upside down flower pot with our little joint, okay? And then we're going to be grabbing this part and fitting that, and literally we've got a couple of EP screws there, so one of them's going to be a spare, and then we'll just be fitting that to the front edge of that assembly and completing that. So it's nice and easy today, folks. Not a lot doing. You get some issues like this with the Partworks where it is literally a screw, or have a look at this bit we've sent you, and yeah. So let's put a bit of oil on that, and then we'll grab our little bit and put that in place. And literally it's going to sit on that prong. It's going to go in like that, okay? And then we're locking that in place with the screw, okay? And it's going to go through that way. Let's try and get that to stay on the screwdriver cup. There you go, use that one, mate. There you go. And we'll feed that in. Now that's started biting, we can go back to the other one and use that. Just to tighten that up. There you go. And that's in place. It does look like a little droid, doesn't it? It really does. But yeah, Wall-E, isn't it? Or something like that. But there you go. So that's what you're going to end up with. We've got this section and obviously the half base. So that's what we've got today, folks, okay? So don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to this link. There's a clickable version below. Head over to Fanhome's website and take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful Partwork. Also, to help me out, if you can click little festa just there. Subscribe to my channel, helps me grow my channel. Also, ring the bell, select all, so that you get notified of all future content, folks, that goes up on my channel. So until then, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you next time. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.